What is collage? This is a bit of a series and I'm going to talk about collage. Collaging is a technique. It's not a paper crafting type like scrapbooking or bullet journaling is a paper crafting type. Collage is a technique you can use in any type of paper crafting. If you're a beginner in papers and stickers and that as a hobby, collage is a technique where you layer pieces. Collage has been around for a long time. You've probably heard of the term. It's French and it means different layering. So cutting out things and then layering them. When I think about collage now in paper crafting, what it's like today's day and age, I often think of my customers' work, and some of my customers are really, really talented at creating a project that has beautiful layers in it. Everything looks like one beautiful bit of artwork, but you can look and see in the detail there are many layers to their work. I'm not great at collage. It's definitely not my strong suit. Perhaps you are. Maybe you really love that sort of technique. Then lean into that. Like use lots of layers in your projects, and that really creates for you a cohesive picture and a cohesive story to what you're creating.